What's up guys, welcome back to Cal Honest Guide. My name is Razif and today's episode I'm going to show you how to get to the Sunway Pyramid Mall by using the train. Okay guys, there's only one way to get to the Sunway Pyramid Mall, that is by using the BRT bus line. That's the BRT bus line. There is only one train line that goes to this BRT bus line. That is the LRT1 USJ 7 station. That's LRT1 USJ 7 station. Now I'm going to show you how to get to this LRT1 USJ 7 station by using the other train system. Let's go. Now this episode is filmed using the iPhone 13 Pro Max, the Feiyutech Scorp Mini Gimbal, and also the Apexel 2x telephoto lens. The audio, which I forgot to mention during the previous videos as well, I'm using the Ulanzi J12 microphone. So I'll attach the lens on the iPhone 13 Pro Max and also the mic on the iPhone 13 Pro Max, and I will attach all of them on the Feiyutech Scorp Mini Gimbal. If you're taking the LRT1 line and coming all the way from Gombak, you just go all the way to USJ 7 station. Now, if you're coming from the opposite direction, which is from the Putra Heights area, just make your way straight to USJ 7. Now, if you're taking the LRT2 line and you're coming from Ampang, or you're coming from the other direction, which is the Sentul Timur area, just make your way straight to the Masjid Jami station. But if you're coming from the opposite side, which is the Bukit Jalil area, also make your way straight to the Masjid Jami station. From there, you can switch to the LRT1 line. From the LRT1 line, you just go straight to USJ 7 station. Now, if you're coming from the MRT1 line, coming from both directions, which is the Kajang or the Kuasa Damansara, just make your way straight to the Pasar Seni station. Now, Pasar Seni station, you can connect to the LRT1 line Pasar Seni. And from there, it goes straight to USJ 7 station. If you are taking the monorail train, if you are taking from any of these monorail stations, just go straight to KL Central. Now, if you're using the MRT2 line and you're coming from the Damansara area, just make your way straight to Ampang Park station. From there, just switch to the LRT1 Ampang Park. And go all the way to USJ 7. Now, if you're coming from the opposite direction, which is the Putrajaya area, just make your way straight to the Sungai Besi station. From there, you need to switch to the LRT2 and make all your way straight to the Putra Heights station. Then from there, you need to switch to the LRT1 line and go all the way to USJ 7 station. Now that's 3 different trains if you are taking the MRT 2 line and you're coming from Putrajaya. Now I've already shown you if you are coming from a different train system, which station to drop by to interchange, so you can make your way to the USJ 7 station. Now that's done. Now I'm going to show you, once you reach the USJ 7 station, how to get to the BRT bus line, and then from there straight to Sunway Pyramid Mall. Let's go! That's it guys for today's episode on how to get to the Sunway Pyramid Mall by using the train system. Please re-watch this video again, get used to the names of the station and how the trains look like. If you like this kind of guide videos, please hit the subscribe button, hit the little bell to get notified for more episodes, and also please click the thumbs up button. It will be really helpful for me. If you have any questions, please write it down in the comment section below. I will answer them as fast as possible. So that's it guys. My name is Razif. This is KL Honest Guide. Stay curious, my friends.